pleasure for me getting you all here for this dazzle event. Let's dive into Java Island, cause I would like to share a glorious story. Legend of the Golden Snail Gilmas. Previously, in the kingdom of Jaha, there lived a wise and just king named King Kertamarta. He had two daughters, Princess Chandrakirana and Princess Dewi Galuh. Princess Chandrakirana was known for her radiant beauty, kindness, and gentle nature. She was beloved not only by the people of the kingdom, but also by the nobleman who wished to marry her. Among the suitors was Tada, Prince Raden Inu Kertapati from the kingdom of Kahuripan. He was brave, wise, and noble. When he met Princess Chandrakirana, they instantly fell in love. The king approved of their relationship, and the whole kingdom rejoiced, looking forward to their engagement. However, not everyone was happy. Princess Dewi Galuh, the younger sister, was consumed by jealousy. She had always lived in the shadow of her sister's beauty and kindness. Saying Chandrakirana admired and loved by everyone, especially by Raden Inu Kertapati, filled her with envy and bitterness. Unable to hide her hatred any longer, Princess Dewi Galuh secretly visited an evil witch who did live in the forest. I wanted to get rid of my sister, she said. Make her disappear so I can have Prince Inu for myself. The witch with wrinkled hair and glowing red eyes cackled and said, Very well, but remember, magic is a prize. That night, the witch appeared in the palace, in the form of a shadow. As Princess Chandrakirana walked in the royal garden alone, the witch cast a powerful spell on her. In the blink of an eye, the beautiful princess turned into a small golden snail, Chaos. Then the witch picked her up and threw her into a river that flowed through the forest. The next morning, the palace was in turmoil. The king ordered his guard to search the entire kingdom. Prince Inu was devastated. Meanwhile, far away from the palace, the golden snail was carried by the river until it arrived near a small village by the sea. There lived an old woman named Mbak Rondo, who earned a living by collecting firewood and weaving baskets. One day, as she fetched water from the river, she found the beautiful golden snail laying on a rock. What a lovely snail, she said gently. I'll take care of you. She took it home and placed it in a jar by the kitchen window. From that day on, something magical happened. Every time Mbak went out to work, she would return home to find her house clean, her floor swept, and delicious meal prepared. Confused and curious, she decided to find out who had been helping her. The next morning, she pretended to go out as usual, but quickly returned and hid behind the door. With graceful movements, the princess began cleaning the house and preparing food. But Rondo stepped out from her hiding place, tears in her eyes. Who are you, dear child? Started. Chandrakirana told her everything, how she had been cursed and turned into a snail, how she had been drifting in the river until Rondo found her. Meanwhile, Prince Inu dreamed of a golden snail leading him to a small village. He took it as a sign. After days of travel, he reached Mbak Rondo's house. There he saw her. Chandrakirana! He cried. I knew you were alive, princess. Chandrakirana smiled. I waited for you. I never gave up hope. With the help of a holy Hamid, the curse was broken forever. Princess Dewi Galuh was punished for her betrayal and sent away from the kingdom. Chandrakirana and Raden Inu returned to the palace. A grand wedding was held, and they ruled the kingdom with wisdom and compassion. As for Borondo, she was honored as a royal guardian and lived comfortably in the palace. Well, the legend of Keomas continues to be told to this day, teaching us about the power of kindness, passion, and true love, and the danger of jealousy and betrayal. And that's the tale I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for listening so intently. Catch you later. Cheers, mate!